Native to Europe, dandelions crossed the Atlantic with European immigrants 4 centuries ago, and they have taken over millions of backyards since then. But this bane of many landscapers' existences is bursting with health benefits for those enlightened enough to eat it. What is dandelion tea? As the name implies, dandelion tea is made from infusing dandelion roots, leaves, or blossoms in hot water to release their beneficial compounds into it. Your tea will vary in flavor and nutritional value depending on the portion of the plant you use. For example, dandelion root tends to be best for treating liver ailments, the leaves work for the kidneys, and the flowers offer the most subtle flavor and benefits. Not interested in harvesting your own greens? You can also purchase organic dandelion tea bags to still enjoy the health benefits. Here are 7 amazing benefits dandelion tea has to offer. 1. Good source of nutrients. Infusing dandelion greens in water fills the brew with calcium, iron, potassium, vitamins K, A, and B6, as well as riboflavin and thiamine. You'll also get a good boost of antioxidant flavonoids like carotene and lutein. Better yet, you can eat the leaves themselves. Ounce for ounce, they have higher nutritional value than both spinach and broccoli. 2. Keep diabetes in check. Studies have shown that sipping on dandelion tea can lower your blood sugar levels, which is critical for keeping diabetes in check. Though the research is still underway to determine the long-term benefits for diabetic patients, these initial results are promising. 3. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation can cause a host of unwanted health symptoms, including aching joints, muscle tenderness, and even headaches. Dandelion tea's antioxidants work as anti-inflammatory agents to reduce pain and swelling in infected tissue to keep you comfortable. 4. Soothes digestive ailments. A lot can go wrong with your digestive system today, but dandelion tea acts as a natural diuretic, digestive stimulant, and mild laxative to keep things functioning as they should. This means that a cup of tea after a meal can speed up the digestive process, eliminate constipation, and reduce cramps and bloating. 5. Promotes liver health. This classic liver tonic of folk medicine has scientific research to back up centuries of use. Dandelion tea is believed to increase the flow of bile in your liver, meaning that it can help detoxify the liver and reduce symptoms of liver disease. Research from China Pharmaceutical University even shows that the natural polysaccharides in dandelion can improve liver functioning. 6. Helps prevent urinary tract infections. Due to dandelion tea's natural diuretic effects, it makes an effective treatment for urinary tract infections, especially when paired with the herb bearberry. Increased urination from the tea will work to clean out your kidneys, making it harder for an infection to develop. 7. Builds strong bones. Thanks to the trace minerals like calcium, zinc, magnesium, and iron it contains, dandelion tea supplies what your body needs to create strong bones and fend off osteoporosis. This is especially important as you age, as bone mineral density naturally begins to decrease without consistent supplementation.